Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Kelly, and I wanted to make something with you. You may have already done it, but I haven't done it yet. And it's from our math pages. It is page 123, and it has these number cards on it with dotted lines and a picture of some scissors and the word cut, 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 cut. So we get to cut these cards out. So I'm going to do this with you. You just need your paper and some scissors. And then I think it's a good idea to have a baggie to put them in after we are finished. So I'm going to get my scissors and I'm going to get my thumb and put that in the little hole. And remember, the little hole stays on top. It stays on top. And my fingers are going to go in the bottom hole, the bigger hole on bottom. This one is bigger and it will hold 2 or 3 fingers. The little hole is just right for one thumb. And keep that thumb on top. And I'm going to get my paper and I'm going to start right where it has the scissor picture. And I'm going to follow those dotted lines and just cut, cut, cut. Can you see me? Cut, 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 cut. And I'm just going to cut it all the way across. So I just get that extra piece off. And then I'm going to turn my paper. Remember, we do not want to turn our scissors, and they would be pointing towards us, and that wouldn't be very safe. So I turn my paper so that I can go down the side of it. I'm going to cut, cut, all the way down, all the way down. And I like the idea of just going ahead and cutting the bottom part off. There we go. Now I turn my paper to the bottom edge and I'm going to cut, cut, cut. And I'm going to go ahead and just cut that off. And then I turn it again and there's one more side to cut. I'm going to cut all the way down, open, close, and I did it. Now there's still a lot of dotted lines. So I need to cut all of these into squares. So I think maybe an easy way to do it is to hold it like this, and I'm just going to cut right up these dotted lines. I'm going to stay as close as I can to the dotted lines and cut all the way across them. And I'm going to go to the next one, and I'm going to cut, cut, cut all the way. Got that one. Here's another row. Cut on that dotted line. Did it. And then I have one more all the way across. All the way across. And I still have dotted lines, don't I? So that means I need to cut on these dotted lines and I'll end up with some squares. Let's see, I'm going to hold it and I'm going to cut. I've got a nice square right there. Then I'm just going to cut the rest of them. Cut, cut, did it. I'm going to get these guys. I'm going to get my next strip. And I'm just going to cut. And I'll move my camera down so you can see how I'm cutting them down here. So I'm just going to cut. There we go. I'm going to cut on this line. I'm going to hold it with my other hand. Cut with the scissors. Cut them right apart on the dotted line. I want to be careful to cut on that dotted line best as I can because there's something on the back of these. I want to make sure that I don't cut those things off that are on the back. So I pick up another row and I cut as close as I can to that dotted line. Cut my scissors right on that dotted line and cut. Open, close. I got that in one cut. You might be able to get it in just 1 or 2 cuts. If it's a short dotted line. Here's another one. And right as close as I can get to that dotted line. Comes another set. I'm gonna go across that dotted line. Got it. Another dotted line and another. Got it. I'm gonna put my scissors away. And now I'm gonna look and see what I can do with these number cards. What do you do with your extra pieces of paper? You recycle them, okay? So this is our project that we're doing. So we need to take care of what we are using, and we need to take care of it by recycling it. I will do that. And now on my card, I have words. These are number words. If, that's not a word. Silent E. So this E is going to make the I say its name. And he goes quiet like he's not even there. Five. That's the word five. And if you want to make sure, you can turn it over and count the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that's the 5. So I think I'll start to put my number cards in order. So I'm going to put this 5 down, and then I'm going to pick up another one. Oh, I can count the objects. 1, 2, 3. And is that the word? TH together says No. 2 vowels together. First one has to do the talking. Or if it's 2 of the same vowels, you say their name 1 time. Three. Yes, that's the word 3. So I'm going to put 3 down. And then I'm going to see what else I have here. What is this word? Seven. Oh, let's count the objects and see if we read that correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, that's 7. And an easy way to see that that is 7 is we know that 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 1 more makes 7. That's our 7. Let's see what this one is. 1, 2, 3, 4. We turn it over and let's see if we can read that word. Four. Yes, we're right. That's 4. Okay. And then what's this one? That's not a word. Silent E. He's going to make the I say his name. 9. 9. Is that 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 9. I'm going to put the 9 down. And let's see, what's this one? 1, 2. So easy. 2. I'm going to put the 2 down. And let's see, what is this one? 10. And on the back, what do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, that's 10. 10. Okay, so let's see what I've got so far. I've got 2 objects, and then I have 3 objects, so I can start to put them in order. 2, 3. What comes after 3? 4. What comes after 4? 5. Yes, 5. And what comes after 5? Do we have a 6 yet? Let's look around for a 6. Let me see if I can find a 6. We have so many fun number cards here now. I'm thinking maybe this one is 6. I know that 6 starts with an S. Six, 6, 6. Let's check it out and see, are there 6 objects? Yes, 3 plus 3 more is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know that the 6 is going to go next. Let's start another row right here. 6. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But there should be something in front of the 2. What comes before the 2? 1. Let's see if I can find a 1 card. That should be easy. 1 object and the word 1. 1. So that goes next to the 6, after the 5, before the 2. 1, 2. That's number order. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What comes after 6? You're right, 7. So let's find a 7. So this was kind of easy for me. When I saw this, I saw the 3 and the 3 making 6. And I knew if you add 1 more, you go to 7. So I knew that was 7. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 more makes 7. And there it is, 7. So 7 goes after the 6, comes after 7. Is it 8? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8. 8. 7, 8. What comes after 8? Let's see. 6, 7, 8, 9. You're right. Let's see. Could this be 9 grocery carts? Let's check it out and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 9. That is 9. What if I thought that was a 6? Could that have been a 6? Well, I just turn it over and I count the objects. And we just did that. We counted that there were 9 objects there. So we know it must be a 9 with the ball on top. So we put 9, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what's going to come next? So if I'm looking for the number 10, I know that 10 is going to have a lot of objects on it. Let's see if maybe this could be 10. I could also look on the front and see if I could sound it out. 10, 10, 10. I think that does say 10. Let's just make sure by counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it. That's the 10. So did we put all of these in object order? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we put them all in number object order by counting them and putting them together. Now that leaves us with another set of cards. And this set of cards has objects on them as well. Okay. So this is a 3 and a 3. So you could match your cards. You could put the 3 on top of the 3. Let's see if we can match them. This is 9. Do we see another set that looks like 3 rows of 3? Let's see, is it this one? Yes, so that's my match, 9. Let's see, can I find another card that has 1 object on it? Just 1? Yes, I found my match, 1. And this card has 2 objects on it. So can I find the match that has just 2 objects? Right here, I found my match. And then what does this one have? 4 objects. Can we find the match for 4? Yes, right here. 4, there's my match. Well, here's a big one. But it's not too big when we think about it. See the 2 rows of 3? That's 6. Plus 1 more is 7. So let's find another group that looks like this set. Is it this one? It's this one right here. Do you see how these look the same, the way they have their objects? 2 rows of 3 and 1 more makes 7. So that's my match. And then how about this one? This one. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Do I have a set of 8 here? Let's see. So I know this was 7. Is this 8? It doesn't look the same. Could they both still be 8 though? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, they can be 8. They can be arranged in different ways and still be the same number. Let's check on the front. Yes, the number 8 and the word 8. We found it. Let's see what else we have. What is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do we have another set of 5? Oh, this looks like the easy way to count 5. I love it when they're in that pattern. 5 and 5. Let's check it out. The number 5 and the word 5. Yes, we did it. Here's that match. And here's one more. Let's see what this is. This is an easy way to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 rows of 3 equals 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. Let's see if we've got another 6 here somewhere. This looks like they are the same. They are matching in the way that they're placed, the objects. 2 rows of 3. So there's a 6 and there's another 6. And this looks like a lot of objects here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like there's 5 more over here. Would 5 plus 5 be 10? Yes. So now I have my matches. I have my matches right there. So that's one thing that you can do with these is you can put that's a couple things you can do. You can put your cards in number order, and then you can try to find the matches. You could also kind of play like a concentration game where you turn them all over and you try to find the matches that way. You take turns, maybe a brother or sister or mom or dad. You could turn these guys over and you try to find matches. So I would get to have a turn and I would pick up one of these cards. And it is the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 8. So I hold that one. And then whoever I'm playing with, they would pick up a card. And theirs is 9. Okay. Now I have a card. My card is 8. So I'm going to try to find another 8 and see if I pick up the right card. I can't look at the numbers. I'm just looking at the objects. So which object card do I think has 8? I'm going to look. Oh, which one do I think might have 8? I'm thinking maybe this one does. It's not in the same pattern as this, but I think it's probably about 8 there. Let's check and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So that means I got a match. I have the 2 8s. I've got one match. And then whoever's playing with me over here is going to try to find the match for 9. So they're going to look for another card that has this many objects on it. And sometimes it's easy because the cards are in the same format or the same placement of objects. I see 3 rows of 3. I'm going to look for that right here. There's 3 rows of 3. Yes, that's the 9. 9 and the word 9. They got to match too. So you can play a matching game, a concentration game. You can put them in order. And then after you're all done, let's put them in a baggie so that you'll always have them. And none of them will get lost. You just pick them all up, put them in your baggie, and you'll have them again and again. All different types of ways you can practice your numbers. You could probably even use these numbers to, let's say you could you build another number with these? Let's see, maybe before I put them all away, I want to see if I can show you how we could build a number. Oh, I see it right here. I see a way we could build a number. Do you think that we can make the number 24? That's a big number. 24? Well, I thought our numbers only went as high as 10 on here. How am I going to make 24? Because 24 starts with a 2, right? 20. That's a 2. I find my 2. And then 4, 24. I just find the card that has a 4 on it. A 2 and a 4 makes 24. I could show the number that way if I wanted to get even bigger with my numbers. I could put a 2 and a 4 together to make 24. So that's even a funner, a little bit harder way to play with these cards. But I think you could figure it out and do it yourself. So I'm going to let you go for now, and hopefully you can make some number cards. You can use this, or you could even draw your own numbers. Just get a piece of paper and write your numbers on them. Like I would just write the 4 on here, and then I would just draw 4 objects. As simple as 4 circles, 4 X's, 4 boxes. You could do that. I'd make the number 2. I'd write the number 2 on one side of a piece of paper, and then I would turn it over, and I would put 2 objects, 2 triangles. It'd be easy, 2 ovals. It'd be easy to make your own cards. So I hope you enjoy your cards, and it will really help you with your math and your numbers, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye for now.